Hey guys, in this review we're going to look at PC Mover Professional. It's a software from a company called LapLink, and they've been around for some time. You've probably heard of them, and this software is actually really neat. There's a lot of different programs out there that will allow you to transfer files from one computer to another one, but this one does it really easy, and it really doesn't require much skill at all. And you can download the software here at this website. You can see the link here. It's pcmoverpro.com, and you can get more information about the software. As for key features, which you probably already know pretty much what the software does if you're searching for it. But here's a video you can watch that also gives you a demonstration of two guys and how they're going to transfer files from one laptop to another using PC Mover. And it's just a pretty neat video to watch if you're more interested in learning how it works. But overall, it's really simple. You're going to install the software to your new computer and your old computer, and then basically you're going to go through some settings and tell it what you want to transfer. And I'm going to show you here briefly what the software is. You'll see here, once you get PC Mover Professional installed and set up, you'll come to the screen here, and it's going to tell you that you need to close out all your applications you're on. That's because it's going to have to get access to them to transfer them, the files, to your other computer. And you're going to tell it which computer this is. Is this the new computer that you're going to be moving all the new files onto, or is this the old computer that you're going to be taking all the files from? And so if you got a new computer and you're ready to move the files on it, you click New Computer, Next, and then it's going to ask you which method you want to use to migrate all the files to the computer. And you can do it through your local area network. You can use a LapLink Ethernet cable, file storage if you have like a DVD, USB stick, or external hard drive. This way is pretty easy to do, but it takes a long time, especially if you're doing it on DVDs, because if you got a lot of files on your computer, you're going to have to burn a lot of DVDs. If you got a USB stick, if it's a 2.0, it's going to take a long time to transfer the files. If you got a 3.0, a lot less time. And the same way with an external hard drive. You know, if you can want to put all your files onto there and then transfer it to your computer, you can do that, but it's also going to take a while. The Windows 7 Upgrade Assistant, and the method that I prefer, which is using just a USB cable. And basically you just select that, click Next. It's going to go through and it's going to walk you through the complete process of transferring those files directly from your old computer onto your new computer. Now obviously if you're moving them from your old computer to your new computer through the USB cable, you need to have the USB cable hooked up to both computers, and you also have to have the software installed on both of them as well. That way it can access each other as it's transferring the files back from one computer to the other. But overall, if you're looking for a pretty simple way to move all of your files over, and I'm talking about everything from your emails to different settings for programs, bookmarks, software installations, whatever you use on there, it's going to take all those programs, all that software, and all your files, and it's going to take them and move them all over to your new computer. And you're basically going to have it set up just like your old computer. Instead of it taking you a whole day to do that, it's only going to take you about a couple hours. So it's a huge time saver, and you can basically set it and let it go. You don't have to be there to tell it everything to do, because it's just going to do it on its own based off of your old computer settings. So that's my review of PC Mover Pro. It's a great product. You can check it out here, pcmoverpro.com. You can download the software and check it out. Now it does cost if you want to actually use it in the full version. There is a trial version, which is what this is to download, and it allows you to transfer one particular type of file, such as documents or spreadsheets or something like that. But if you want to actually transfer every one of your files from one computer to another, you will have to purchase it, and I believe it's about $39. So overall, it's a pretty affordable product, especially if you have a lot of files on your computer and you just don't want to have to mess with doing it all manually.